Good morning, students and viewers. In the last class, we have discussed about the how to prepare the aldehyde carbonyl compound. That means aldehyde or ketone carbonyl compound from the alcohol, as well as decarboxylation of carboxylic acid, pyrolysis of salt of carboxylic acids, some of the reduction reaction, Rosenmund reductions, and from Grignard reagent, and how to they react with HCN and alcoholic compound and ammonia derivatives such as and one more we have to see the important third point of ketoenol proof of isomers, the electron donating group and electron withdrawing group. Here the electron donating group decrease the stability of keto form, as well as the decrease the strength of hydrogen bonding, and the electron withdrawing group, here the increase of strength of hydrogen bonding, so the enol form is very stable. In the last one, the protic solvent, the non-protic solvent, if the compounds has been reaction running in the presence of protic solvent, the keto form is stabilized. But in the case of non-protic solvent, the enol form is stabilized. Here we can see the proof on the equation way. Here the ketone compound react within the presence of acid medium. Here the OH, the lone pair of electron abstract the hydrogen from the solvent molecule. The double bond of OH plus is formed. Here to neutralize the charge, the double bond of electron shifted here, the positive charge created at the center of the carbon atom. Now the water molecule contains the lone pair of electron attract the hydrogen atom. I just write in the splitting of the hydrogen of methyl group. So here the abstract the hydrogen, the oxygen molecule, the pair of electron, the single pair of electron shifted to methylene group. Here the methylene group able to form the double bond CH2, then H3O plus is liberated. Similarly, the CH3 COCH2. Here also I have written the splitting of the CH3 proton. Here the hydroxyl ions, because the nucleophile of hydroxyl ion base attack the hydrogen in the methyl proton, the double bond of electron shifted here, so the carbanion is formed. This is actually used for the Michael's addition. The carbanion which can able to donate the electron pair to the here the single bond, the carbon, the double bond of carbon shifted to the oxygen, so oxygen gets the minus charge. Here the oxygen can able to abstract the hydrogen from the water molecule. The enol form is formed. How the keto form is stabilized in the protic solvent. Now we can see some more condensation reactions of aldehyde and carbonyl compounds. The condensation reactions usually proceed by the presence of base. In the case of aldol condensation, it is a slightly diluted base is used. But in the case of Claisen condensation, the aldol condensations, the product will be hydroxyaldehyde, because the alcohol as well as aldehyde group both are present in the form of alpha hydroxy ketone. That means aldehyde. Alpha hydroxyaldehyde is a aldol product is formed. We can see the Claisen condensation, and the Claisen condensation means, but every one molecule should have the alpha hydrogen. If the reactant molecule should have the alpha hydrogen, that only that can react with the it can form the aldol product as well as the beta keto ester and the Claisen condensation form reactions. So in the Claisen condensation reactions, the beta keto ester is the formed from the ethyl estate, molecules, as well as the Robinson annulation is the intramolecular condensation by the following of Michael's addition. It gives the cyclic product, bicyclic enone. Bicyclic enone is the product, but the Robinson annulation very useful to synthetically to prepare for the compound of how to carbon skeleton fused with the cyclic compounds. That is means cyclic hexanone, cyclohexanone. The product is formed as cyclic enone. These are the three reactions are very important thing. Now we see the how the reactions taking place. What is the mechanism following the reactions? First of all, aldol condensation. Now with the aldol condensation, we can take the molecule. The first condition is dilute base is required. Dilute base. The second thing is the alpha hydrogen present in the alpha hydrogen must be present. For example of aldehyde, acetaldehyde react with one more kind of acetaldehyde in the presence of base. What is the product? CH3 the hydrogen from the methyl proton slightly splitted. The carbanion is formed here, the O minus, then CH2 C double bond O H. Here it can able to attract the proton from the H plus. The final product is CH3 C, then OH CH CH2 C double bond OH. Here the product, what is the name of the product? Alpha, because in the here the carbon is present. Here the alpha bond, the next one is carbon is beta. So beta hydroxy. Here the some more 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 carbons, so butylaldehyde. What is the mechanism followed? Here I can write the mechanism. Here the hydroxyl group able to attack the hydrogen in the methyl proton. Here the single bond shifted to the methylene group. So removal of water molecule taking place. Here the carbanion is formed. What is the condition? Carbanion should be formed. That only the aldol product is going to be the product. Here the hydroxyl group can able to attract the hydrogen in the methyl proton. The single bond of electron can be shifted here because the carbon is a higher electronegativity than hydrogen. So CH2C double bond OH. Now this carbanion can able to attack the carbonyl carbon of another one of aldehyde. That is the same aldehyde. Here the carbanion is able to attack the carbonyl carbon. The bond is shifted here. The oxygen bond is shifted here. The product is CH3 C, then O minus here, then H, CH2 CHO. It can able to extract the H plus from the water molecule. The final product is aldol. So what is the product? The aldol product is formed. The beta hydroxy butyraldehyde, that is the product. Here the mechanism, how the reaction follow the mechanism. The carbanion is formed. The carbanion able to attack the another aldehyde, it will give the condensation product. In the case, the water molecule is removed. Now we can see some more example of aldol condensation reactions. How the ketone molecule can be reacted, because the ketone molecules is also contains the methyl proton, the alpha hydrogen. Here the alpha hydrogen is present. The presence of base. What is the product? CH3, C, double bond O. Here the one more methyl proton, then CH2, C, O minus. Here the CH3. CH3, C, double bond O here, then CH3, it can able to attack the carbonyl carbon, CH2, then CO shifted here, then one more methyl proton. So it can able to attack the H plus from the water molecule. The final product is CH3, C double bond O, CH3, then CH2, CH, C, OH, then CH3, then CH3. Here the 1, 2, 3, 4 hydroxy. 1, 2, 3, 4 hydroxy pentane. 4 hydroxy pentane to the second position, the one of the ketone compound is present. The final the product is 4 hydroxy pentanone. 4 hydroxy 2 pentanone. Now we see the how the Claisen condensation mechanism follows. The very important questions in the organic chemistry, Claisen condensation. It is used to prepare the beta keto ester from the ethyl estate. Claisen. In the Claisen condensation, the very much the base is required, but in the case of some more esters, in the propyl ester, we have to use a strong base, but in the case of the ethyl estate ester, we can use the medium base, that is the ethoxide is used as a base. Here the ethyl estate, 2 molecules of ethyl estate. In the presence of base C2H5, then O minus. The ethyl alcohol is I can write because the space is not enough. CH3, C, double bond O, CH2, COO, C2H5 plus the alcohol is the product. Here the beta keto ester, the formation of products. Here in the alpha position, here in the beta position. The ester is a main product of the molecule. The beta keto ester is the final product. Here the name of the compound is ethyl estate. Now see the mechanism of the Claisen condensation. C2H5 O minus, that is a ethoxide ion, it can able to attack the one of the ethyl acetate molecule. I can split the molecules like this. The single bond of the electron shifted to the minus charge here on the carbon atom. So minus C2H5 OH here. Then the product is formed carbanion CH2 C double bond O C C2H5. So it will able to attack the another type of ethyl acetate molecule. So what is the product? Double bond of oxygen atom, double bond shifted to oxygen atom. The final product is C, then O minus here, then O C2H5. This carbanion attacks with the carbonyl carbon, so CH2 C double bond O C2H5. Now this molecules can have to attack the water molecule. It will so here, so some of the mistakes, not able to attack the water molecule because the beta ketoester is only the product. So neutralize the charge, the double bond will shift out here. Then this C2H5, the outgoing C2H5 ethoxide ion can able to attack the hydrogen from the water molecule. So minus C2H5 OH. So ethanol is the byproduct, and we can get the beta ketoester from the ethyl acetate, two condensation of ethyl acetate molecules. Here the CH3 C double bond O here, CH2 C double bond O C2H5. The product is beta ketoester. Now the third one, we can see the mechanism of Robinson annulation. That is a very important reactions, Robinson annulations. Now we can see the Robinson annulation reactions. Michael's addition followed by the intramolecular aldol condensation, that is known as Robinson annulation. The fuse of six-membered ketone, cyclic ketone with the carbon skeleton, that is a fused ring system. It can be used to prepare the polycyclic molecules. It used to prepare polycyclic molecule. So the reaction is cyclohexanone react with propanone. That is a CH2 double bond CH single bond. That is the propanone is the compound in the presence of base. It followed Michael's addition. I have written the symbol in the brief way. Michael's addition. What is the product? Here the product is Now here the OH minus base is attached. The final product is bicyclic enone. Fused cyclic, here the double bond is present. Bicyclic enone is the formation of products. Now what is the mechanism? So mechanism is slightly difficult to hear. The mechanism of these reactions, here the cyclohexanone is the base molecule and can able to attack the hydrogen from the alpha position of the carbonyl group. The what is the product? The enolate anion. Sorry. The carbanion is formed. This carbanion can able to just like a resonance structure. The pair of electron, the lone pair of electron shifted here, so it gets the double bond, the oxygen, the enolate anion form. It reacts with the propanone compounds. Here the CH2 double bond CH. Propanone compound, the pair of electrons shifted to here, this can able to attack the methylene group. The bond is shifted here. The intramolecular shift has been taking place. So the Michaelis addition. So what is the product is formed? The double bond oxygen here. One of the CH2 attached with the carbon skeleton attached with the cyclic ring system. So CH double bond C, then O minus here, then CH3. So the base can able to attack the hydrogen from the carbonyl alpha to the carbonyl carbon. Now the base and hydrogen is reacted with these substances. So the final product is formed here. I can write the components here. This enolate ion able to attack the hydrogen, abstract the hydrogen from the base, conjugated base. OH in CH3 double bond O. Here the intramolecular shift has been taking place. The intramolecular shift has been taking place. Hydrogen atom, intramolecular shift. So this has been become the cyclic form of ketone. See here the double bond O, CH3. So this is one of the cyclic bicyclic ketone. Just we have to remember that this intramolecular shift is a very important concept. Here also the Michaelis addition, because the enolate ion attached with the methylene group. It's a bicyclic system attached with the carbon skeleton. Now this attached with the base molecules. Here they added the base. How the reaction going? uh, the base can able to abstract the hydrogen from this methyl group. From this methyl group, one of the hydrogen from this methyl group will be abstracted by the base. So the reaction has like that. Here the oxygen with the minus charge, here the double bond here, now this double bond is shifted here, these double bond shifted to oxygen atom to fuse the ring. So this double bond shifted here. So what is the product is formed? So one of the oxygen enolate bicyclic system is formed. Here the base and hydrogen is added again. Here the enolate ion abstract the proton from the base hydrogen. The double bond O is formed. To complete the reaction, the intramolecular shift has been taking place. If you add the base again, here the base can able to attack the methyl group from the carbonyl carbon. So the oxygen gets the again minus charge here. The double bond of electron will shifted here. So that here the OH minus can able to remove from the carbon. So I can just like here. What is the product is formed again? Your intramolecular shift has been taking place. The final product is bicyclic eno.